In this video, I will show you mind-blowing art effects like this with a free-to-use platform. To create this type of stunning artwork with AI free tool, go to Google. Click Bing Image Creator. Now here, describe your dream that AI will create for you. Now click on Create. Wait for a few seconds. A stunning artwork in a few seconds. If you need more variations, click again to create or modify your prompts and create again. You can use my prompts by pausing this video and noting down these prompts. Keep experimenting and enjoying. If you like this video, then watch the next video that appears on your screen. You will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.